Hey everyone, so today I have another box opening, this time for the Magnificent Mavens. These ones I've been really excited about. It's got two of my favourite archetypes, the Sky Strikers and the Witchcrafters. Now, Witchcrafters aren't very good in the meta, their artwork is really nice. So I've been really excited to open these up. I've got two boxes today. And obviously the card sleeves, I'm hoping for the two variants of Sky Strikers. So let's get these open. So already didn't get what I wanted, but the card sleeves I got were from the Maya Kashi archetype. Still really nice. And look at the packs. So I'm not going to open these just yet. I'm going to see what other ones we get in here. And there we go, we've got the Sky Striker ones. So they look really nice. They're the ones I was hoping for, so. And 4 more packs. So we're hoping for some Sky Striker cards from here, so hopefully I can build a deck from these ones. But let's not mess around and let's get into them. So we got Medora the Sword Oracle, got a Sky Striker token, Dracoback the Rideable Dragon, Sky Striker Mecha Widow Anchor, this is a very important card to the archetype, and Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. So we've got Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. That's a retrain into a Link monster. Totally awesome. Dragon Maid Changeover. I really like the Dragon Maids. It's actually a secret rare. The camera doesn't do it justice, but a Doom Dozer. And Renola, Magistus of Via. So not many Sky Striker cards so far, but still got a few more packs, so hopefully. Another Medora the Sword Oracle. Appaloosa, Bow of the Goddess. That is really rare. That's in a secret rare too. It's a very good pull. Sword Soul Strategist. These are going crazy on Master Duel. Dark Calling, and Sword Soul of Taya. So a couple of good Sword Soul cards. Not sure how good they are in the TCG at the moment, but definitely really good on Master Duel. Another Sword Soul, the Iris Sword Soul. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon, very nice. Sky Stry Mecha Shark Cannon. Cat Shark. And another token, a Golem token. Keldo, the Sacred Protector. Another Sword Soul of Moyi. Non-Fusion Area. Sword Soul Sacred Summit. And DD Savant Kepler. So I'm not doing too well with my Sky Striker deck so far. I think I've got 2 cards and what's this? Dragon Necro Nether Sword Dragon. Pendulum Call. Another non-fusion area. Ignista card. And a beautiful princess. 2 packs left. Millennium Eyes Restrict. So I think that's a retrain of the old Thousand Eyes Restrict. Witchcrafter Confusion Confession. Be helpful if I got more Witchcrafter cards though. Therian Bull. Nightmare Cerebrus. And Harjuan, the Winged Mayakashi. So what I've just noticed is these are all actually super rare. Camera doesn't quite do it justice, and it's my last pack and I've just noticed, so. Blast Held by Destiny. So that's Obelisk the Tormentor in the back. That's from the anime. Ooh, we've got the Change of Heart. That's a little bit of a throwback. And there's one of our Sky Striker Ace cards, Link Monsters. At least we got one of them. Got Witchcrafter Creation. And last but not least, Sword Soul Strife. So we got one of our main Sky Strikers. Going to have to try to find the rest of them. And we got our Mayakashi and our Sky Striker card sleeves. Be using those when I finish building the deck. But yeah, if you like this video, there will be more to come. I'll be doing a Unchained deck profile on Master Duel. That will be coming very soon. But until next time.